2026 live over here at Barangay Buntog Gymnasium. Let's do some roll calls sa mga gwapo-gwapa. Tumarang pagulong na ang Valentine's Day. Pagulong na ko sa kusog, sa shaggy, sa mga gwapo sa Barangay Buntog! Wala na tana. Kuras, kunay gwapo sa Barangay Buntog, di po mapalupig ang mga single na gwapa! Wala, daghan yun kayo. Alright, good to know that one. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard to this wonderful day of February 9, 2026. It's good to be here in Barangay Buntog. It's my first time. And mind you, that warm, thank you very much. And I can see your face, the smile radiating, even if it's dark, and I can see you over there. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, 7 of the most stunning and empowering women are with us on this very stage competing for the one crown, one title of becoming the Hara ng Buntog 2026. And the question is, who among the 7 lovely candidates is going to win tonight? Well, we will soon find out, and it is on our panel of judges' hands. Paano naman nato kung kisa-kisa kung mga bapang kandidata ang mag-aog as your Hara ng Buntog 2026. Hello there for all on your hashtags on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, on Thread, Hara ng Buntog 2026. The night is young and so early, and I bet that you're very excited to meet our distinguished panel of judges. I'm sorry, cool up. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I bet you're very, very excited to meet our distinguished panel of judges who's going to be, let's say, having a hard time for sure, choosing or picking the winner for tonight's competition. But before that, Barangay Buntog, paduglas ako sa isang palakpakan na kasamaya! Nakapalihapon ba? O nakas na? Alright. While nakanaw na mo dili sa tuwangan, pulisan mo maugin-ugin ng kaon. And speaking of panel judges for tonight, please let me actually introduce our distinguished panel of judges who are actually going to pick the winner of tonight's competition. Our selection committee are as follows. Barangay Buntog. First up is an adjudicator by profession, a woman of purpose, a pageant title holder, and your Miss Battle 2025. Please help me welcome the very beautiful Miss Anne Nicole Alasas. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. The first judge. Hi, Anne. It's good to see you after 2 years. Still looking beautiful. Next up is a pageant title holder, your 2008 Miss Somalia in Kenya, an advocate of life empowerment and beyond, your beauty queen, model turned attorney at law. Please help me welcome the very dashing attorney Sarah Maria Pabros. Hi, Miss Sarah. Maria Gabi. Round of applause, please. Next up is not the thorn among the roses, but he is the Prince Charming. Ladies and gentlemen, a youth student leader, an advocate, and a facilitator. Your 2023 Mr. Nursu. Sir, I apologize for mispronouncing your last name, but let me try. Round of applause for our third judge, Mr. Nathaniel Equin. Again, apologize for that, but thank you very much. Mr. Nathaniel, Mr. 2023. Our fourth judge, ladies and gentlemen, is an alumna of Woodford Elementary School, your creative and pageant director. Your host tonight. And ladies and gentlemen, support na kayo kung pamil. Because with us is the reigning Gandang Dodolanya. We got Miss Stacy Lynx Astrillo. I'm Stacy, looking up to the man. And our last judge this evening is a literary service, a youth advocate, a multi-talented athlete. Your Miss Pop 2023 and Miss Negros Orca 2023 first runner-up. Your chairman of the board of judges, not to mention in Blossom Supremacy. We got our chairman of the board of judges tonight, Miss Saidatu Yisou. Ladies and gentlemen, you're still witnessing the search for Hana Olympic 2026. Again, one applause to our 5 panel of judges for tonight's competition.